Hello all, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are going to see how to create a free account on DeepSeek AI. First, you need to open the deepseekai.com. Then you will see this page. From here, you need to go to the sign up option. Click on sign up. Type your email address here. Then your password. Create your password. Then confirm that password here and then press on send code. After typing this, after typing your email address, your password and confirm your password, you have to send on send code. Click on send code and it will send a verification code on your email address. You can open it, and after opening it, you can see the verification code I have got in my email address. You just need to copy it. After copying it, you need to paste the code here and click on sign up. As you can see, it will take you to this page after that, and you are logged in the DeepSeek AI. There is your profile, and from here you can make a new chat if you want, and from here you can ask whatever you want to DeepSeek AI. So I hope this video was useful to you. If it was, then make sure to like and share our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.